Alrighty guys, another disgusting gross car today. Kind of a quick visual here. We'll start out with the center console here. We've obviously got a guy that likes his electronics. He's got a single 12 volt split into three 12 volt accessory sockets. He's clearly utilizing those in a very neat and organized manner to operate whatever accessories and computers and cell phones, and looks like a radar detector. But in addition to that, I gotta say, that looks like a junk drawer if ever I've seen one. It is just completely piled with junk, pens, tape measure, keys, trash, lots of trash. But one thing I want to point out is this on the gear selector. I'm 99.9% sure that is snot. And in relation to that snot, I would probably say that I probably have whatever disgusting illness this guy has just by sitting in this car. I'm going to go bathe in hand sanitizer after I get out of this car. But that is all snot rags and disgusting tissues and trash and whatever else. One thing I find kind of interesting is it looks like he's got a stethoscope on the passenger seat. I don't know if this guy is a doctor. He's clearly not a hygienist. This is absolutely disgusting. The center cup holder is just caked with soda, dust, dirt, debris, sticky stuff. Goes all the way underneath the seats and in between the seats. In the back, we've got more trash just completely collected. More snot rags, all this trash here. Absolutely disgusting. You can see this guy is his arm is always clean too, sitting at the center console there. But I'd like to just remind people to keep their cars a little cleaner. And if you're sick, man, don't make other people get in this stuff, man. It's disgusting. Anyways, you guys have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this really gross car. Take care.